person, sir, teachers, and my seniors, myself, Dr. Golde Singh, PG secondary scholar from Samhita and Siddhant Department, RSC Lucknow. The topic of my today presentation is a conceptual study on the science of design Ayurveda with reference to rehabilitation. So there's shortage of time, so I'm concising my topic. Introduction in Ayurveda, the two primary objectives of treatment are Swastha Swasa Lakshanam and Aturas Vikar Prashmanam Cha. To achieve these objectives, there are three types of drugs have been mentioned in Ayurveda, that is Dosh Prashmak, Dhatu Pradoshak and Swasth Hitkar. The Swasth Hitkar drugs are the primary element for maintaining health. Rasayan also plays a crucial role for preservation of health. Due to its properties, Rasayan has been described as an independent therapy among the Ashtanga disciplines of Ayurveda. Thus, Rasayan, a core concept of Ayurveda, plays a significant role in rehabilitation by providing rejuvenation, enhancing immunity, and restoring balance and vitality among the illness or physical trauma. It involves holistic methods aimed at rebuilding and strengthening the dhatus, enhancing immunity, and promoting mental and emotional well-being. Ayurveda-based rehabilitation programs, what they do, they merge the Rasayan therapy with the conventional physiotherapy. Such integrated programs are beneficial in improving the range of motion, reducing muscle spasms and stiffness, enhancing circulatory health, and preventing muscle wasting after injuries or surgeries. They are also utilizing neurological rehabilitation such as for stroke or spinal cord injury. Now, the definition of Rasayana, Achar Charak in Chikitsa Sthan Pratham Adhyay, Rasayan Adhyay, contains 4 parts. In these all 4 parts, Achar has completely described the detailed definition, description, method of use, its indication, contraindication, all of Rasayana. A simple definition, Labho Payo hi Sasta Nam Rasadi Nam Rasayana. Rasayan means the way for attaining excellent drugs. Then the classification, okay. Then coming to discussion. In Ayurveda, Ahar is a key determinant in the maintenance of health with due consideration of the status of the Agni. The importance of Agni, just before me, the speaker ma'am had just told us, so I am not focusing on that. Now, considering this fact, the health and the nutritious food habits have been considered as a gastric rasayana that prevents specific disease by specific immunity and biostress. The examples are simple herbs like guruchi and amalki can be given to person with pre-diabetic states and thus can prevent diabetes. Similarly, in diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis or pulmonary TB, adding Rasayan drugs as supportive medication to ongoing medication can also yield the favorable results. And now, the most important part, the main Rasayan. It has given an remarkable results in the patient quality of life in neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's, dementia, or stress-induced condition. Coming to conclusion, Rasayan therapies can be scientifically connected with rehabilitation by their ability to accelerate recovery, restore function, support tissue healing, and promote overall resilience after disease or injury. In Ayurveda, Rasayan therapy serves as mainstay. 4 points: enhancing cellular repair and tissue regeneration, enhancing the immunity, that is Vyadhi Shamak, promoting mental health, improving memory. Last, acting as anti-aging and disease-modifying therapy. Overall, Rasayan is in Ayurvedic rehabilitation, promote physical endurance, mental resilience, and cellular repair, making it natural and sustainable modality for restoring health and enhancing quality. Thank you.